there's a possibility that this carburetor is worse than this. We're not sure. I'm just about to find out. Is it working? Oops.
Light, camera, action!
Hello and welcome to another modification video. Today I'll be changing my stock carburetor into this 28mm PE type piston slide carburetor.
Since this is a motovlog, I should be riding a motorcycle, right? While talking to you. This video will be about my carburetor upgrade. I'm using it right now. Yes, I changed it successfully. Now I'm on a test run. First of all, I'd like to explain myself. I don't have to, but I have to. I want to tell you guys that I am not a mechanic, meaning to say I'm a newbie. I don't have experience in modifying things such as a carburetor. I'm not that experienced enough to conduct modifications. Look at this asshole. Look at this asshole.
Carburetor.
Sa dami-dami ng oras, bakit gabi pa ako nag-rides? Alam mo bakit? Kasi wala akong oras. So, anong ginawa ko? Upgrade ba o downgrade?
Carburetor.
So I'm not sure if this will improve the performance because the last time I checked what's inside this, I saw a flat slide which technically has a better performance compared to a round slide. On the other hand, technically a PE type carburetor is better than a vacuum controlled carburetor. This is controlled by vacuum. The only thing you can control with your throttle here is your butterfly valve. It controls the amount of air that passes here, and your engine produces the vacuum. The vacuum controls the slide of our stock. What we have here is the piston is directly controlled by your throttle, which on theory will give us a better response compared to our stock
Carburetor.
So will it be an upgrade or a downgrade? We will not know until we find out, so we must install it.
It's an upgrade. I can feel the throttle response. Damn! This thing pulls in third gear, man. So you set in the corner like this. I wish you could see me in third person. You need to be very careful on this spot. There's a lot of accidents happening in here. But not me. But not me, bro.
Carburetor.
This thing, please. Oh, nagulat ako doon. Hey, morons. You better open this fucking thing. Yeah. Sup, dogs? I need to fix my microphone. It's too short. God damn it. What are you doing? What are you doing, dog? Huh? What are you doing? What's he doing? Yeah, right. And right. Beautiful. So this is how I look like. With gloves, some cotton jacket that won't help me in case of accident, but at least there's some outer skin. I have glasses. I'm nearsighted. That's one disadvantage for me because I hate riding with glasses. Okay, my microphone is all good. This is my setup. My stupid SJCAM. A GoPro will be better. I can put the GoPro here with its better microphone. Fuck this. Good place. Very quiet. I'm the only one noisy here. You gotta make sure that this thing is recording. Okay, so